video, I'm gonna show you how FSD performs with different software and different cars. As you can see, every car is making a left turn in this narrow road, but there is no steering wheel nag on version 13 on Cybertruck, Model 3 and Model Y. But the same car, Model Y, with FSD 12.5.4.2, you will notice that the car has significant steering wheel nag. So for that, we can definitely say that FSD 12.6.1 performs exactly like FSD 13. So let me know in the comment what you think about this performance. Thanks.